It's the 26th of April 2026. I'm in Tampa, Florida, or Tampa Bay. This is the American Victory, Tampa Bay. It's a Victory ship from late World War II, or at least it's after the Liberty ships. So, as far as I understand, these are replacements or improved Liberty ships. I think they're about the same size, maybe a little bigger. I think the big improvement was that they had turbine engines. So probably a little more efficient. Maybe, I think they're faster too. But anyway, here I'm gonna try to take the tour. This one's got a, looks like a pretty big gun. I don't know what size that is. 5-inch maybe? Well, anyway, yeah, I'll walk a little ways here. I don't know if I'm gonna walk the length of the ship. But it's the one big screw. It's like almost half of it's sticking up above the water. And there's a lot of sea life on it, so I guess it hasn't turned in a while, the screw. Or the ship, I guess. I like the camo paint. I guess that's as far as I'll go. I might shoot on